This is an 8-wheeled reconnaissance car originally. Now in this is the final version, the 234/4, where Pack 40 gun, the normal anti-tank gun, was mounted on this chassis, and that was to deal with the threat of large numbers of enemy tanks appearing close to Germany. It was meant to have a new designed L48 gun mounted on top, but that wasn't ready in time, and the next version would have had this new compact mounting with it. But let's look at the evolution of this. Back in the early 1930s, the Germans came up with a reconnaissance concept to use the light 4-wheeled armoured cars for light investigation, and an 8-wheeled armoured car for heavy reconnaissance. And they started producing the 8-wheeled armoured cars in the 30s, and they were just armed with a 2-centimetre gun, the same as a Panzer II. But they produced about 1,000 of those, but then they wanted to move to a newer, more powerful design, using more or less the same shape and many of the features. But this vehicle has a totally new diesel engine, air-cooled diesel engine that comes from the company Tatra. But the designers of this vehicle are Bissing and Ege. They're the guys that built the German regular 8-wheeled armoured cars in large numbers. So, if you compare them side by side, you can see quite a lot of differences beside the gun mount. But this was originally meant to have a 2-centimetre open-top turret, or a closed turret with a 5-centimetre gun in it, and was to be used for heavy reconnaissance. This one has very good performance, very high speed in any sort of reasonable conditions, very good for road use, but obviously a wheel vehicle, even a very clever one like this, has limitations on very poor terrain. An important part of this is that it has 8-wheel drive, 8-wheel steering. So you can turn one of these by turning all of the wheels. And when you turn to the right, the front pair of wheels turn in that direction, but the 2 rear wheels turn the opposite direction to reduce the turning circle. So even though it's quite a long vehicle with a gun sticking out, it can turn in a remarkable space. Okay?